size of this behemoth. Whew. That is one big beast. Now, when you're living life beyond the trail, you're gonna see all sorts of weird critters and such. I think it's some type of flamingo or something. Whoop. Now, just in case this thing is some type of direct descendant of the pterodactyl or something, I don't want to get too close. I really don't want it to see me. It's tearing that tree to shreds. Imagine what it would do to your face. I wonder if it can see me. Oh, it's flying, it's flying! Well, somehow, against all odds, I survived. Whew. I think we need to go check out the damage that this thing has caused. Oh my gosh. Look at the devastation. Wow. Tore this tree to shreds. Imagine if that was my face. I would have never stood a chance. What a monster.